Alright, so as promised today, I'm here in Iceland, a very, very far away country. And I'm here because Zuzia and Pawel have decided to host me here in Iceland. Thank you so much for having me. This is an amazing place. How long have you lived here?
Almost 3 years.
Almost 4 years.
4 years, wow. What's your most favourite part about Iceland?
The airport, when waiting for the plane to Poland. No, to be honest.
Honestly, my favorite place is the Snæfellsnes Peninsula.
And
it's very beautiful.
And my favorite place is Skogafos waterfall, where we will be heading soon.
Whoa, this is cool. Thank you so much for having me. We're going to go explore today, and these guys are going to take me to some amazing places. They have something really cool planned. Pawel's actually gone out and he bought this like Toyota Yaris. Have a look. He bought this car here, just because like I'm coming here to visit him. How crazy! Oh, this car. They have no idea.
Pierwszy śnieżny aniołek Stevena.
Hey, I'm Stevo, and I'm gonna make a snow angel! Woo!
Jedziesz z koksem maleńki.
This is my first time ever.
And legs. Amazing job.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cold.
Look at that.
And now look at that.
Look at this.
It's an angel.
Aniołek. Aniołki Charliego. Się głowę robi.
How's that?
Jak podoba ci się? How do you like it?
It's really cold. My hands are frozen, absolutely frozen.
-3 temperaturka.
Yeah, it's -2. -2.
-3, -3.
-3. Minus.
Have you ever
Minus
felt the temperature like this?
3.
-3 in Polish. Minus.
-3.
Look, it's so fluffy. How's it taste?
Nice.
Like an ice cream.
Steven, jak
Loda.
przetłumaczyłem mu co to znaczy. What does it mean?
Żrubi loda.
Oh yeah.
Proszę.
Let's
Off to
go.
the next place. Open your mouth, Pawel. Open your mouth. He's eating it.
W tym pięknym miejscu prowadzimy oczywiście Stevena, żeby pokazać mu przesuperancki wodospadzik, który już pewnie troszeczkę zamarzł. I zaraz podejdziemy bliżej. Steven jedzący lód.
Hello. Tastes good. No, I've never seen the ice on the trees like this.
Trolls made some ice creams for you in the night.
Yeah, the trolls, they did.
Trolle zrobiły mu loda.
Loda. Good loda.
Good.
Yeah. So right now we are walking between the tectonic plates, and here you have North America, and this side you have Europe. Tell us about the tectonic plates, Zuzia.
They move apart 2 centimeters a year. So since I live in Iceland from 4 years, they moved apart already 8 centimeters. So
Whoa,
in
8
our
centimeters.
lifetime, like 80 years,
Yeah.
it's like a really big difference.
Yeah,
you
big
can
difference.
see.
Yeah, it's crazy. Really beautiful place. A really beautiful place.
Steven, if you would like to be in the North America, just climb the wall and you will be like a real American.
Yeah, like a real American. Like a real American, hey?
Oh, mate.
Have a look at this place. Pawel's brought us all the way here to this waterfall, which looks really, really cool. It's not what I expected. I thought Iceland was going to be full of ice, and then you get water like this. So maybe we get a refund from this place. Pawel, what's up? Tell me about this place.
So it's a waterfall called Öxarárfoss, a small one, but in a very unique place. This is just the beginning, it's a warm-up.
A warm-up,
Before
okay.
What we're gonna see soon.
Okay.
This is nothing. This
This
just
is
a
nothing, okay.
small, beautiful place.
I'll keep my excitement contained.
That's true.
What do you have here? Big camera.
This is Instax camera. I wanted to be a professional photographer, earning money by taking pictures on the streets. But I gave up very quickly. No one wanted to buy my pictures, so I'm doing them for free. For much better reason. For Steven.
So we have to get a photo together to remember this.
Look at this, high technology.
It's like a Polaroid.
It is. It is. We are not alone here.
No, there's a lot of people.
I tak jak możecie zobaczyć, jest całkiem sporo turystów, bo jest akurat piękna pogoda. Do you like it?
I love it. I really like this. Piękny, ma duże tourists.
Tak więc jak się czujesz idąc pomiędzy płytami? How do you feel walking in between two tectonic plates?
Torn apart.
Także tu leciał ten, o którym była mowa, tutaj leci kolejny. Steven, what's the plane?
So this one here is an A380. Again, it has 4 engines, different angle of the wings, much thicker, fatter wings to look at from the shadows, and also the tail is like considerably bigger in proportion. So this is, and the spacings of the engines slightly further apart. So you can tell this is a A380. We're going to check on flight radar, and I guarantee A380.
Także głowa mała.
Bany, nie?
Głowa mała.